Welcome to my lecture series on fluid mechanics 1 and another session which is composed of the numerical recipes or the numericals based on surface tension property. We'll take another problem. A spherical air bubble rises in water at a depth of 9 meter. Its diameter is 4 millimeter. What will be its diameter when the bubble just reaches the free surface of water? Do not neglect the surface tension effects. Take atmospheric pressure as 101.3 kilonewton per meter square and the surface tension of water is 7.48 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton per meter. Now we'll take the problem for spherical bubble. So that bubble is initially it is 9 meter below the water surface. So at 9 meter depth, excess pressure in the bubble is equal to PE is equal to 4 sigma upon D. Okay. Then 4 into 7.48 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. So sigma is surface tension and D is the diameter. So you will get internal pressure within the bubble, that is 74.8 Newton per meter square. Got it? Then pressure in the bubble, that is P internal, is atmospheric pressure plus pressure excess. So you will get absolute pressure here. So 101.3 into 10 raised to 3 plus 9810 into 9, because this is 9 meter depth, plus 74.8. So that becomes 189,664.8 Newton per meter square. In other words, it is 189.664 kilonewton per meter square. So this is when it is at the depth of 9 meter. Now when at the surface, at the free surface, so PE dash, that is new excess pressure, so 4 sigma upon D dash, so that is equal to 0.2992 upon D dash. Okay, so P internal is 101.3 into 10 raised to 3 plus 0.2992 upon D dash. As the pressure in the bubble gets exceeded, it will expand under isothermal process. Okay, hence Pi into V is equal to Pi dash into V dash. So let us substitute the values here. So 189,664.8 into pi by 6 into 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 into cube raised to 3 that is equal to 101.3 into 10 raised to 3 plus 0.2992 upon D dash into pi into D dash raised to 3 upon 6. So you will simplify like this way. So 0.0121 is equal to 101.3 into 10 raised to 3 into D dash raised to 3 plus 0.2992 into D dash raised to square. By trial and error method, the bubble at surface diameter will be D dash is equal to 4.93 millimeter. This is the solution for this problem. If you like the contents of this lecture series, please give like and please do comment in the comment box, and please subscribe the channel if you are new to this particular channel, because I am always look for the students and students welfare, and also share these lectures if you like it. Thank you. Please cooperate and do subscribe this channel.